so happy the way these turned out. Like, this is pretty awesome. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nita Project. So today I'm going to show you one of the pieces for the centerpiece. I'm going to be taking gold picture frames that I got from Dollar Tree. Now it has the table numbers in here because I got these for my wedding, so I'm going to reuse them. So it's kind of chilly today, so that's why I'm wearing this fuzzy sweater. And I paired it up with these flower earrings. I think they're so cute. And a pink lip. I thought it was a fun color to try. I'm kind of tired of the matte look, so I did like a gloss lip and an eyeliner and a little bit of gold shadow. I'll show you guys this look at another video, but for right now, I'm just going to show you guys my centerpieces for Adam's first birthday. And we're a week and a half away from his birthday. And I'm just trying to get everything I can done at night, usually when he takes a really long nap. So he won't get up until 4 a.m. So I have a little bit of time. Right now I think it's like 1 a.m. So yeah, it's chilly. So this was my look for the day. So I did setting spray so that I could stay for the whole day and for you guys as well. So I didn't look like a hot mess. But back to his centerpieces. So what I'm going to be doing is going with the race car theme for Hot Wheels. I got duct tape that's checkered, and now you can get this from Dollar Tree, and clearly I've been using this a lot. So this is at Dollar Tree and it was perfect, and it goes with the theme, and it actually lasted for a while. Now I ended up ordering one from Amazon because my Dollar Tree ran out of this duct tape, so I had to get it from Amazon, and unfortunately Amazon has it for $6. But I'll put the link in the description below just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As far as Dollar Tree is concerned, you can't order anything online, so through them you would have to go into the store. But they do have checkered duct tape, so check around all the Dollar Trees near you. I didn't have time to go to several Dollar Trees, so the one that was near me ran out of it mostly because I bought them all. But I ended up buying it on Amazon because it was Prime, and I don't have time to go out there, especially with Adam and my husband working constantly, so I didn't have a chance to go out and buy it. So definitely check out your Dollar Trees first if you have the time. If not, you can get it from Amazon, and if you want to spend the $6, you can do that. But these are definitely from Dollar Tree. They have a million of these, so I grabbed 24 because at my wedding I think I had 24 tables, but they still have them because a couple of them I lost, so I had to go out to Dollar Tree when I bought the duct tape, and I picked up more. So I'm going to show you how I wrap these with this tape, okay? So, and I think I'm going to do 15 of these because there's 14 tables, but just in case I need one extra because one breaks, along the way, so I'll have it as a backup, okay? So I'll show you guys how do I do that. And as you can see, it is, I think this one is 5x8, but I'm doing 4x6 photos. So the ones that I got from Dollar Tree, they have this white border. So this one is probably back there because I never throw away the borders when it comes with the frame. So the borders have a 4x6, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So I figured out that it requires, because I want to cover the sides too. First I just did the front, and my husband looked at it and he was like, it kind of looks, a little tacky, just the front, because you can see the gold or silver or black, whatever you guys have at your Dollar Tree. You could see that. So he's like, try to do like the whole covering so it looks like you bought it that way. And I was like, okay. So I figured out it takes 4 rows of the duct tape, so to cover the whole backing of the frame and the front. So I'll show you guys that. So duct tape just rips so easily. Alright, so what you guys want to do is just measure it out like here. So like you want to leave a little bit of gap, so right there is good. guys, so there you have it. It's wrapped up perfectly and you can't even tell that it was a gold frame. See what I was talking about with the edges? It looks perfect like that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these little guys off, okay, so that it looks perfect. Okay, so what you wanna do is, see how I folded the ends like this so that it wouldn't stick to anything else? You just wanna cut along the extra, even the little bit square you have, and then push that down. And there you go. Can't even tell. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with this. And voila, there it is. Isn't that amazing? Okay guys, so I did a bunch of them so far. Okay guys, so I did all these and they are done. Check it out. Doesn't it look so neat? So I'm gonna put Adam's photo in here. Again, I'm gonna put the border back in here, and then I'm gonna put a 4x6 photo that I got done from Walmart. And I just took a bunch of shots of him. We are gonna put photos of him like throughout the year, that like the pumpkin patch, we'll put one in there, and then we'll also put in like a couple of family ones that I can scatter around through the haul. And there you go, I did a bunch of these. So super proud of these, to be honest, because I really did not think they would come out this nice. So I am really happy about that. See, these don't have table numbers because I had to go out and buy some because I ran out of the ones that I had. But isn't this amazing? And you can't even tell. See, something super cheap and easy for a centerpiece idea for a race car theme, or even like a fall decor, because I know the checkered pattern is in for fall decor. So you can put this around the house, you know, with your family photos in there, and like a fall blanket that's checkered pattern, because I've been meaning to get a fall blanket like with checkered pattern. This is so cute, guys. I'm so happy the way these turned out. Like, this is pretty awesome. Pat on the back. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this idea. And again, you can do this with any type of duct tape, to be honest, because, you know, any type of tape you have, if it's like a unicorn theme, you can do the rainbow duct tape. They do have that. They even have a galaxy theme one. They have a dark, you know, blue sky in the back and with stars. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, once Adam's birthday is over, give me, you know, a couple of ideas for DIYs, and I'll let you guys know. Oh, here's one that I didn't do the backing on as an example. And see, this was a silver frame, and it doesn't look that neat, you know. And this is the one Rick told me, like, don't use because it doesn't look good, or just finish it off. So I'm gonna like fix this one up. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Like and subscribe and comment. I really love reading your guys' comments and telling me what you guys think, or what you want to see more of, or if, you know, if I'm not showing the products right, or if I'm not showing the tutorial right, help me out. This is my first time doing like this YouTube thing, so I would love some input. All right, make sure to like and subscribe. If you ever need a project, check me out. Bye.